Training clips are provided by the Innoception Accelerator. Today we're going to very quickly go through how you use the Startup Blueprint Concept Canvas module. Here's your desktop. Here's your Concept Canvas PDF document. You open it by double-clicking on it, and that opens up your Concept Canvas. We have our bookmark panel on the left for quick navigation. Click on this to go to your control panel, your dashboard. On the left side here is the basic elements of your concept canvas. This is the canvas map. These are the tasks, the 6 tasks that appear on the canvas map. So let's look at the map. Here's your 6 elements. The first 3 elements on the concept canvas are your initial business assumptions. You have an idea, but you haven't formulated as a business model yet. Now we provide a worksheet with each cell on the canvas, and the worksheet is accessed by the green bar at the right of each cell. This is what an assumption worksheet looks like. Since there's no specific instructions, you're just writing down what you think. We just have a note area. At the bottom, we have a summary area that appears on every worksheet. You summarize your thoughts very concisely, and when you go back to your canvas model, that appears here. You do that for each cell on the canvas in order. Again, the first 3 cells you do quickly. This is where you're doing market research and other intense work. Let's look at the market value proposition worksheet. We have a set of specific instructions that help you do this task. It's important to note that on the right side, these links, the green arrows and the notes and reference links, are not active in the public version, the free version. You work your way through these, and this will complete all the information you really need to do your market research. You summarize at the bottom, as you do on every worksheet, and that appears on the canvas model when you're done. When you get done, the canvas model will look like this. The result is a depiction of how your original business idea has been developed into a viable and well-validated business concept that has every opportunity to be successful.